Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. Running a bash script from Python can be useful when you want to leverage existing shell scripts or execute system-level commands. Here's a step-by-step tutorial on how to run a bash script in Python with a code example. First, create a simple bash script. For this example, let's create a script called myscript.sh that echoes hello, bash, to the console. Now, create a Python script that will execute the bash script. You can use the subprocess module in Python for this purpose. Make sure to replace path/to/myscript.sh with the actual path to your bash script. Save both scripts in the same directory and make them executable, if needed. You can use the following commands in the terminal. Then, run the Python script. The subprocess.run function is used to run the bash script. The first argument is a list containing the command and its arguments. In this case, bash, script_path specifies to run the bash interpreter with the given script. Capture_output equals true captures the output of the bash script, and text equals true ensures that the output is returned as a string. Check equals true raises a called process error if the bash script returns a non-zero exit code, allowing you to handle errors. The if__name_equals_main__, block ensures that the script is only executed if it's the main module. This tutorial provides a basic example, but you can modify it to suit more complex scenarios or handle additional parameters and inputs. ChatGPT